Hey everybody, welcome back to Shay Days. Today I'm going to be showing you guys one of my favorite meal preps. It's high in protein, low in carbs, super affordable, and it's versatile. So you'll be feeling like you're eating something different each day for lunch. That way, whenever you get to day 4, you'll actually want to eat your meal prep. So stay tuned, I'll show you guys the recipes and let's get cooking.
All right, so the night before I like to meal prep, I like to go ahead and marinate my chicken. You do not need nearly this much chicken. This is just what I have for my husband and I for the week. So if we ever want to throw on some chicken on the grill or the air fryer, it'll be fresh for dinner as well. And so I'm going to have 2 different flavors here. We have buffalo style, a buffalo chicken, and then also more like a barbecue chicken. So if you've got barbecue sauce, go ahead and put that on there. But we like to do like an African style. So we have like 4 Maggi cubes, some garlic salt, and some soya seasoning, along with maybe some thyme or something like that. But we're going to go ahead and put those in the fridge for later. And then next, we're going to have 2 different types of potatoes. So I have 2 big old sweet potatoes, and then we're also going to do 4 rustic potatoes. We kind of munched on these a little bit, me and my baby, and so I kind of wish I had made more. But this filled me up so much during these meal preps. I thought I would need some sort of rice, but I didn't. They ended up tasting really good. So I'm going to season it with this like garlic and onion herbs. It adds like a nice crunch along with some garlic salt. And of course, you'll want the olive oil on there to help those get crispy, and some white pepper. So I like to mix those on and then give it another coat before we put it in the oven. And our oven is at 400 degrees, so we'll go ahead and put them in and check them every 15 to 20 minutes. Next, we are going to move on to our sweet treat, which is a peanut butter chocolate chip healthy protein powder cookie. All the ingredients I'll have down below in the recipe because the footage kind of got messed up. I'm fairly new at this, and I was trying to do a short video at the same time, and all the footage just got all mixed up. But speaking of being new at this, if y'all could like and subscribe, it would really help me out. I would really appreciate it. It would help my channel, and then also I could make some more recipes like this for you guys because I really enjoy it. So hopefully y'all do too, and let me know in the comments. But like I said, go check down below for this recipe because these cookies did turn out really well. But I am just going to check those potatoes, like I said, every 15 to 20 minutes. And then once they're about done, the cookies will need to cook at 350 degrees. So we'll have those setting aside, ready to go. Alrighty guys, so this meal prep is moving along fairly quickly. Next, we will be making our breakfast, which is cottage cheese pancakes. So you need a cup of cottage cheese, only a cup of oats. I added 2, I spaced out. And then you will also need some vanilla and eggs and baking powder. But of course, I will have the recipe down below for you. And then you're just going to blend that up, and we'll go ahead and put it on the skillet. You can blend this for quite some time. You do want it to be quite liquidy. It's not like normal pancakes where you're like afraid to stir it. These will do just fine. Also, these, make sure you freeze them because they will not stay good in the refrigerator for very long with that cottage cheese in there. But they came together really quickly. And then while I was doing that, I went ahead and put the cookies in the oven as well. And you just got to be careful. Make sure your toddler doesn't, steal all your stuff and make a mess of your kitchen like mine always does. All right, so at this point, I checked my potatoes. They had been cooking for about 30 minutes, and I found that my rustic potatoes needed some more time. So I put them back in the oven with the cookies at 350.
You guys, I'm so sad. I don't know why I thought it'd be a good idea to pick up my cookies, like the pressure cooker, and move them, and then they all just kind of crumbled. So make sure you don't do that. Just let them finish cooling before you take them off.
And lastly, I like to air fry my chicken. Of course, you can bake it. I just like the texture with air frying. So I have 2 buffalo and 2 barbecue. So I'm just going to put those in there at 375 for about 10 to 12 minutes on each side. So we just did the 10 minutes and then just going to take them out, flip them over, and then do another, I would say like 12 minutes. It just kind of depends on your air fryer and your chicken and how much space there is. All right, guys, so we have all of our food. Super simple at this point. We've got our cottage cheese pancakes. We've got some bacon, buffalo chicken, regular grilled spiced chicken, regular rustic potatoes, sweet potatoes. There was a little bit more of these potatoes, but I was munching on them and my little nugget was eating some. So we've got some canned corn and beans, and then also our sad protein peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. And I thought those would pair perfectly with some cuties. So I got a bunch at the store, and let's dish them out. So there you have it, guys, our high protein, low carb, versatile meal prep. I'm just topping it off with some buffalo wing sauce and some barbecue wing sauce. Then we've got sweet potatoes with buffalo chicken. Then we have regular potatoes with buffalo chicken, and sweet potatoes with barbecue chicken, and regular potatoes with barbecue chicken. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoy. Tons of protein, super affordable, super delicious. Makes you actually want to eat what you have prepared. Hope you guys enjoy as much as I will.